how to remove repost on TikTok all at once. So if you want to remove repost on TikTok all at once, then first you need to open up your TikTok. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you open up your TikTok, make sure that you've logged in. Now you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Now if you want to remove the repost, it's not possible to remove all of your repost all at once. So in order to remove them all at once, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down, go with report a problem. And from here, you need to select feed and playback, or just scroll down and then go with chat with us, which is on the bottom. Or you may also have report a problem section. You can tap on report a problem and then you can enter the support ticket. So go with your support tickets and you'll be able to enter some information, some screenshots, and then submit. Or you can also go with your TikTok support, and from here you can select an option of repost, and it will guide you on how you can remove your repost all at once. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.